Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I will show you how to replace the front parking light bulb from an Audi A4 B7 from the year 2008. In today's episode I will show you how to replace the driver side bulb because the driver side bulb on this car is not working anymore. First, what we have to do is to lift the hood up and remove the protection cover from behind the headlight. I will show you in a second what I'm talking about. So like I said earlier, you'll have to go behind the headlight and behind the parking light bulb location, and you will see this plastic cover which you'll have to remove by pressing the plastic clip. After that, in order to see the parking light bulb, you'll have to put your phone or a camera inside it until you'll able to see the yellow bulb. As you can see, inside there it's a little yellow plastic, and inside that little plastic it's our bulb. And in order to remove it and replace it, you'll have to pull from the little plastic until it came out from its place. But in my case, on this car, the bulb was burnt out, and it also burnt the plastic, and it burnt the plastic inside the headlight. So the bulb was stuck inside there. So for me, it was very hard to remove it. I used a lot of pliers and I pulled very hard from the wires, and I'm glad the wires didn't break. Because on these cars, and especially on Audis, the wires from inside the headlight are very cheap, and I don't know why the isolation cover from the wires always break out. So like I said earlier, in order to remove the parking light bulb, you'll have to pull from the little plastic until the bulb came out from its place. I also removed the DRL light in order to have easier access to access the parking light bulb. Okay everybody, here I finally removed the parking light bulb from its place, from inside the headlight, and this is how it's looking. As you can see, the plastic from around the bulb, it's all burnt out, and this is why in my case the bulb was stuck inside the headlight, and this is why it was so hard for me to remove it from the headlight. And as you can see, the wires from the bulb and from the DRL light, it's all destroyed, it's all burnt out. And first I will isolate it, I will fix the wires, and after that I will replace the parking light bulb. So here I already isolated all the wires because I don't want to have any short circuit inside here. And now it's time for us to install a new parking light bulb. In my case, I'm using these lights. You can also use a light like this, but you can use whatever parking light bulb you will find on your auto parts store. All you have to do is to pull from the old parking light bulb location. You have to pull from inside that little yellow plastic, and after that you'll have to install a new one, and that's it. Now let's turn on the headlights and see if it's working perfectly. In my case, as you can see, it's working perfectly. And now let's put it back inside the headlight. What I recommend you to do when you're trying to install it back into the headlight, it's to let it turned on, because if the parking light bulb is turned on, you'll be able to see very easy the little hole on which the parking light goes. So just follow what I'm doing right here. As you can see, the bulb is turned on, and I'm able to see in which hole the bulb will fit in. So it's very easy like this to install it. This is how it's looking. And now all you have to do is to put back the plastic cover from behind the headlight, and that's it. Okay everybody, this is how to replace your front parking light bulb from an Audi A4 B7, doesn't matter which year it is. Thank you all for watching. If you liked this video and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below. See you next time.